Respected faculty, my name is Vinil Rakesh Reddy. My register number is URK1CS 181. Today I am explaining about linked list. In this program, first of all, we should create a structure node, and we should enter the variables as int data and struct node next, and we should declare a struct node head is equal to null, and we should declare a function insert front, and in this function we should use the parameter int x. Then we should create a new node as t, and we should give t next, t data is equal to next, and t next is equal as head, and head is equal to t. Then void insert at last, and we should use a parameter int x, and we should create a new node as t, and t data is equal to x, and x node m is equal to head, and we should use here while loop m next is not equal to null, then m is m next, and m next is equal to t, and t next is equal to null, and we should declare another function insert at mid int x is a parameter and n is a data, and we should print enter at which position of the node is to be present, and we should declare it n, and we should create a temporary node, and temp data is equal to x, and temp1 is equal to head, and we should use for loop. In this for loop we should use a condition int I is equal to 1 and I greater than n and I plus plus. Then we should use here if condition temp1 is equal to null, then node does not exits, and then it will break. Then temp1 is equal to temp1 next, and temp next is equal to temp1 next, and temp1 next is equal as temporary node. And then we should declare as another function int delete and delete front. If we should use condition head is equal to null, then return -1, and we should print it last list is empty. Then we should create a temporary node is equal to head is equal to head next, and return temporary data and delete the temporary node. Then we should use here and we should use here another function int delete last, in then int delete last, then node temp is equal to node old temp is equal to head. Then we should use if condition head is equal to null, then return -1, and we should print it empty list, it is an empty list. Else if temp next is equal to null, then we should return the temp data, then delete the temporary node, or else we should use here in this file condition while loop, then temp next is equal to is not equal to null, old temp is equal to temp is equal to temp, then node temp is equal to temp next, and old temp next is equal to null, then return temp data and delete the temporary node. Then we should use another function delete at middle, then int n is a variable, and we should print enter which node we want to delete, then node temp is equal to head, and node old temp if condition we should use head is equal to null, then we should print a list is empty, then we should use a for loop, and old temp is equal to temp, and temp is equal to temp next, and old temp next is equal to temp next. Then we should return temp data and delete the temporary node, and again we should here use function as is display. Then we should use here a is equal to head, and a is a node, and if condition we should use here head is equal to null, then we should print list is empty, and use while condition a is not equal to null, then we should print a data and a is equal to next. Then we should declare in main function we should declare the variable c and ch and a d. Then we should use here do while condition, do while loop. We should print first option is an insert at front, second option is insert at back, third option is an insert at middle, fourth option is insert delete, and fifth option is insert delete at last, sixth option is delete at middle, and seventh option delete and seventh option delete at last. Then we should use CN C. Then we should use switch case C. In case one enter the number and we declare int x, and we should insert the x value. Then insert at front. Then case 2 insert at last. And the case 3 insert at middle. Case 4 and delete at front. Case 5 delete at last. Case 6 and delete at middle. Case 7 we should display it. Then default we should print the choice is wrong. Then we should enter the y to continue the program. Then we should use here while condition ch is equal to y. Then we should run the program. We should enter the first. Enter the number of yes. Enter the number 6. Yes. Third. Enter the number. Enter which version. Yes. Then display. Then therefore here the options are kept 7, 5, 6, 9, 6. Then this output is verified successfully.